Good afternoon, everyone. To our respected school administrators, distinguished faculty members, proud parents and guardians, honored guests, and most especially our dear students, good afternoon and welcome to our IT Recognition Day. Today is a special occasion because we gather not only to recognize academic excellence, but also to celebrate determination, perseverance, and the remarkable journey of every student who has chosen the path of technology. Our team, igniting wisdom, celebrating triumph, and shaping our future technologies, perfectly captures what this celebration is all about. Igniting wisdom, remind us that education is more than earning grades or passing examination. Wisdom is developed through curiosity, critical thinking, problem solving, collaboration, and learning from both success and failure. In the field of information technology, knowledge evolves rapidly. So the technologies we learn today may change tomorrow, but the ability to continuously learn and adapt will always remain our greatest strength. Celebrating triumph is our opportunity to acknowledge every achievement represented in this room. Behind every certificate and every award is a story. Late nights completing programming projects, debugging codes that refuse to work, preparing for examinations, balancing school with family responsibilities, and overcoming personal challenges. Today, we honor not only the awards you receive, but also the hard work, discipline, and resilience that made those achievements possible. Finally, shaping our future technologies remind us that recognition is not the finish line. It is only another milestone. The world needs technology professionals who possess not only technical expertise but also integrity, creativity, compassion, and a commitment to making society better. Whether you aspire to become software developers, cybersecurity professionals, data scientists, AI specialists, network engineers, system analysts, researchers, entrepreneurs, or future IT leaders, remember that technology should always be used to solve real world problems and improve people's lives. To our awardees, congratulations. You have demonstrated excellence and you deserve this recognition. However, I also want to recognize every student present today. Success is not measured only by medals or certificate. Sometimes success means refusing to give up despite difficulties. Every step you take toward becoming a better version of yourself is already an achievement worth celebrating. To our parents and guardians, thank you for your unwavering support, encouragement, sacrifices, and belief in your children. Their accomplishments today are also your accomplishment. To our dedicated faculty members, thank you for your commitment to teaching, mentoring, and inspiring our students. Your patience and dedication have helped shape the future professionals we celebrate today. As your Dean, I encourage each one of you to remain humble in success and resilient in adversity. Continue learning beyond the classroom. Embrace innovation. Think critically, act ethically, and never stop striving for excellence. Remember that technology changes every day, but values such as integrity, professionalism, and service will always define an outstanding IT professional. As we celebrate today's achievements, let us also look forward with hope and confidence. The future belongs to those who are willing to learn, innovate, and lead with purpose. Once again, congratulations to all our awardees and to every member of our IT community. May this Recognition Day inspire us to continue igniting wisdom, celebrating triumph, and shaping the next generation of future technologies. Thank you, and may God bless us all.